Hey guys, I am Teacher Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title below, today we're going to be unboxing the July Premium Boxycharm box. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my July Premium Boxycharm box, see me unbox it, see me use the products, then make sure you keep watching. I'm about to show you what came in my July Boxycharm Premium box. This is the big box. This one goes for $35 a month. And let's go ahead and open it. So as you can see, we've got the Boxycharm Premium and Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's go ahead and get into what's inside of this box. So the first thing we have is this setting powder. So they sent me the translucent shade, and I'll go ahead and open this up so that you guys can see it. This is how it looks. It's a pretty large container of setting powder. This has 25 grams, quite a bit of setting powder. Next, we have a pair of lashes. So this is in the style Snazzy. Definitely going to be using that. And we also have a liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. This is a really pretty shade. I am such a huge fan of nude shades. This is right up my alley. Cannot wait to see how this looks on me. They also sent a brow definer, and this is in the shade Taupe. Taupe sounds like it might be a little bit light, but I've also been using a lighter shade of brow pencil on my brows just because I dyed my hair. Then we also have the Lash Brag mascara. I've never used an Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara before, so we'll see how I like that. Last but certainly not least, what we are probably all the most excited for is this eyeshadow palette. So this is the Norvina Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. If you guys have not seen this, it's been out for quite some time, but this is a beautiful palette and it's perfect for the summer. But these colors, y'all, they're literally so pretty. I have quite a few of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I also have one Norvina Volume 4 palette, and the pigments in those are just amazing. The quality is amazing, so I know that the quality in this one is not going to disappoint. Let me go ahead and use some of these products with you guys. All right, so y'all can see I already have my base done. By the way, I am wearing the new Anastasia cream bronzer and blush stick. If you're interested in seeing my review of those two products, I'll link it right up here for you. Let's go ahead and get into an eyeshadow look using the Volume 3 palette. I'm thinking I want to do I want to do a green or an orange look? All right, so let's do an orange look. So the first shade that I'm going to use is A5, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Yeah, that's me going like really lightly. I'm going to go in with C2, which is this shade here. That is more of like a, well, I swatched it, so that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna lightly tap that in, and I'm gonna put that color right in here. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. So I lost my orange when I dipped into that red shade, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to bring some of the orange back. Literally, that's how pigmented these shades are. Like, I literally only tapped my brush in there one time and it just completely took over. And now I'm going to give you a little bit of shimmer with the shade D4 right here. And I'm just going to use my finger because shimmers always apply better with my fingers. So I'm going to pop that right here. So now I am going to pop on the Snasy Lash. So how I apply my lashes is I take my lash glue and I apply it on my actual lash line instead of onto the lashes. So this is how the lashes look on. This one I kind of messed up because it's not all the way down my lash line, but it's nothing that a little mascara can't fix. We are going to go ahead and try the Lash Brag mascara. I'm not going to go in too much on my top lash because I don't like getting mascara on my false lashes, because that just makes them harder to clean and can't wear them multiple times once you get mascara on it. But what I do like to do is go in at the bottom and really bring out my bottom lashes. All right, so for lips, I am going to be using the liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. So this is not exactly the color lip that I would have chose to go with this eye look. It's given very much 90s, the lip is. And I'm not mad at it. It's a cute lip, but I would not have chosen it to go with this eye look. But it's fine. I think what I'm going to do is kind of lighten it up a little bit and maybe add some gloss. And then we'll see how it's looking. Okay, so this is it. This is the final look that I created using the Boxycharm Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina July Premium box. This was a great box, y'all. I love this box. And for $35, you really can't beat this. Like, the palette alone retails for $60. That's almost twice the amount of the box right there. You get a mascara, a liquid lip, a brow pencil, and you get this big thing of translucent loose powder, and you get lashes too. Like, you really cannot beat that. If you guys were interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll leave my link below where you guys can sign up. Again, the premium box is only $35 a month. If you want to start out just trying out the base box, that's $25 a month. So definitely check it out if you're looking to get like a monthly box with some nice makeup and skincare products. You won't be disappointed. Like, you saw everything that I got in this box. This box was fire. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on. If you enjoyed this Boxycharm video and you want me to do these every month, because I do get the box monthly, then let me know that down below in the comments, and I'd love to do that for you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.